when you are working plan design, as long as you have control of the way that the salespeople are being paid out, you can be thoughtful about getting positive results. When you cede that control out to 100 different um, players, what happens is they don't know the plan. One of the reasons that great leaders tell their plan, say it from the rooftops, tell it to all their directs, and repeat what they say 100 times, is so that everybody knows what the plan is. And when you don't do that, you end out with confusion and actually a loss of sales.
So that I almost want to throw you a curveball here. Then let's say
Okay.
a company's looking at this. They're thinking we're going to just start thinking about our plans on a quarterly basis because of the amount of uncertainty, and then we'll close out with your thoughts on uncertainty and retention and cost controls in the market. But before that, I'm looking at a quarter ahead. I'm scared to plan further than that because I really don't know. Do I put in activity based light payments for my sale because I don't want to lose my top reps? Maybe I put them on a draw? Do I pay them to build out their pipeline and build those ROI cases? We're going to shift some focus to farming the existing customer base, but how can I, I've got guys on a 50-50 compensation plan. We're anticipating a huge drop in close, but I don't want them to leave because I'm hoping, by the end of the quarter, but I'm only looking for one quarter. What are some random thoughts on the whiteboard of Ed Lang's head?
Well, you're actually naming the things that are going on right now in the market. We've had a fair number of draws, so just a cash payout, as it were, to say, we know you're suffering right now. We're gonna get through with you. We've also seen a shift in the way that we pay people, so that we reward for some of that tool sharpening. So, like you said, creating pipeline and uh, standing up opportunities so that we can come back strong in the new quarter. And we've also seen some cuts, and each one has um, its benefit. I tend to myself uh, stand in the corner of, let's not panic, and then figure out, either a way to keep our people whole and happy, or something that's going to reward them for doing the good work of setting up the next quarter. Um, but absolutely, it is a very real thing that some companies are having to make tough decisions just based on cash flow.